A lot of Zulu traditional weddings where they do stick fighting, like especially Bayolanda umfazi stick fighting. What is this whole stick fighting thing? Is it a symbol of something, or do they just do it for fun? I know things have changed and we've evolved over the years, but
yeah, I mean, when we look at stick fighting and how it's done now, it's fun, you know. There's an element by because you understand that historically the role of men and women were different because of the circumstances of the history that we come from. So siza emandulo kudala amadoda bebahamba bayozingela. So umuntu ofanele ayozingela efanele abe physically strong. So if umzingeli uzoletha inyamazane ekhaya ezodliwa, so it means that you have to be physically strong. So it was to show your competency physically, which and now uzokhona ukumelana na konke. Kodwa it's ingibheka symbolism yamanje ukuthi Mose wenza stick fighting kuyakhomba ukuthi noma kungabanzima kanjani ndoda indaba yakho uzoyimela, umshado wakho uzoyimela, umkwakho uzomsingatha yini noma kungabanzima kangakanani, ngoba mokuliwa lapho kuyabonakala ukuthi nizohlangabezana nezinto neyinkinga emshadweni, ngoba it doesn't mean ukuthi the honeymoon phase goes on forever. Reality hits kuba nabantwana, uzomelana nalezimpi ezibakhona, uzomelana nezinto ezilokushintsha emshadweni, uzoqina uthi still ngisase kulomshado, ngoba in our culture we don't marry ukuhlukana, we marry to continue bringing life.
Okay. And then now coming to the housewarming situation, why is it important as Africans ukuthi mangithenga indlu entsha kumele nyenze, because I know tradition here we're talking traditionally, not modern at all. Why is it important for me ukuthi nyenze umsebenzi wokuvula le ndlu?
Ngiyathanda nokuthi sibambe kwinto ye housewarming, because mesikhuluma nentsha umuntu uzothumela ama invite ayenze housewarming. Yakhomba ukuthi nakhona ezabantu besintu there's ways sefanele si evolve, ngoba mesikhuluma ngesintu ngeculture sikhuluma ngendlela esiphila ngayo. So how do you do a housewarming ngendlela ephila ngayo kodwa ungakhohli the essence? I-essence ubaleka kwento ezoyenza ukuthi kuqhubekele phambili ngesiko. So mesenza ukuthi fanele ukubikwe umuzi, ngoba angisho ubuhlala endaweni ethize ubikwe kuleyo ndawo ethize, ubikwe ayemadlozi njengoba ngisho ukuthi singabantu abakholela kungabazi abangasekho. And ngicela ukuyichaza lento yedlozi ngoba abanye uzothola ukuthi umuntu uba disconnected mawuqala ukukhuluma ngabantu abangasekho. Abantu abangasekho there.
We're going to come to that.
Okay.
Right. Don't go into it here, just focus on the housewarming. Yeah, I'm going to ask you on ancestral spirits.
Okay, so sikhuluma ngabantu so amadlozi ukuthi nala uyakhona umuzi wakho uyobusiseka nokuthi bangakufuni, ngoba mebakufuna ibusiso zivele zishabalane. Uzibuzise na ukuthi awu ngathenga umuzi and then I find myself in this bad credit and everything is not going right. Ubabikele yini labantu ukuthi angisekho la, sengimove la, sengihlala la, ibani nami, nokuthi ukhona ukuba nendawo yakho yokukhuluma nabo ukuqhubekela impilo bakubusisa. So yonke into umutshala imbewu uvuna ubuya ubonge ukuthi sengivunile ngivunisihle. So noma uwenza umuzi ukuthi ngacela ngaba nesicelo ukuthi ngicela umuzi, seninginika umuzi manje sengiyawubika futhi ngibuya ngibonge ukuthi sengivunile loyo muzi.
And if as an African I do not do this housewarming culturally, will anything happen?
In my experience, I've encountered they don't do lezo zinto zesiko because they feel like an inconvenience. A person moves into that house with a wife or with a husband and there's no peace. How are they going to cement this house? How are they going to cement this family if they don't know where you are? The last time, so when you come out, you need to go and you need to announce what I'm leaving, and then you need to announce that this is where I am. So the implication is that it can create huge disruption, financial disruptions, health disruptions, just the peace, the sense of peace. They come and it's a big beautiful house, it's well finished, but I cannot feel it, it's not a home. So by you're making it at home, you're creating an energy field that vibrates homely.
And then now moving on to Heritage Day. We're not talking about Heritage Day as the day on the calendar, but why is it important as Africans for us to celebrate our heritage, especially the youngsters?
I think in this time it's very cool.
Please include my question in kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi celebrate heritage.
I was going to include it.
Oh, sorry.